Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I pray God's richest blessings on all of you. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my stir fry cassava. I went ahead and washed my cassava and dry them. When you're buying cassava to cook, you want to make sure you ask the person you're buying them from if they are the ones that can be cooked, because there are some that are very hard, and those are the ones I think you use to make cassava pudding or pone. Here I'm just going to make an incision. Then I'm going to use the knife to kind of prise up that part just so I can get my fingers under there. Then I'm just going to use my hand to peel it right off. Easy does it, just like that. I will continue until I peel all of my cassava. I'm gonna set some water to boil, just enough to cover the cassava. Here I'm gonna be using some of my all-purpose seasoning, and this will add nice flavor as the cassava boil. I'm gonna add some salt, cover that, and let it boil. You can check out my video for the all-purpose season. I will post the link below. Now I'm gonna put in my cassava pieces. I'm gonna cover the pot, give that a good stir, taste for salt, cover the pot, and allow it to boil until the pieces are nice and tender. I don't know, probably about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Just check on them. These are nice and tender, and that's it. This recipe is nice and easy and very simple. Now I'm going to go ahead and drain them, shake them around really well to get rid of all that excess water. I'm going in my pot, my frying pan, with some butter. To that I'm going to add some oil, that butter for a little bit of flavor, and I'm going to add in some chopped onion. I also have some chopped garlic and a few pieces of hot pepper. This is going to be nice and spicy. Stir that around a little bit, sauteed for about a minute, just until the onion, garlic a bit on the translucent side, release some flavors. Then I'm going to go in with some dried rosemary and some dried thyme, and also some chives. Now these chives are not that fresh, so they're looking a bit on the loopy side. What I do to preserve my chives, I wash them, chop them, and put them in the freezer so the green wouldn't be popping, but they're just as good. I'm going to go ahead and saute this for a couple more seconds. I'm going to add a little piece more butter in there. I want the cassava pieces to be nicely coated. See all the nice flavors being released in that butter and oil. I'm going to go in with my boiled cassava. Then I'm going to give it a good stir. I'm going to turn off the stove at this point. Get this nicely coated so it can absorb some of that nice flavor from that butter. Oh, the garlic, the rosemary. Oh, the chives. Now I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. Make it look pretty so I can feel like I actually know what's going on. And that is it, guys. That is it. Easy does it. I enjoy this as it is. This is delicious. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Read 2 Chronicles chapter 6 verse 14 with me, guys.